Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'll show you how to complete the Contraband Part 3 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. To finish this mission, you need to sell 3 specific weapons to the NPC at the port: an AWM, an RPG-7, and an ARX-160. Keep in mind that you cannot buy these guns from a shop. They must be found in the world or looted from airdrops and military crates. First, let's go find the AWM. Head over to this area near the bank, climb up the ladder, and you will find the AWM spawning right here. Next, to get the RPG-7, you need to head to the fort area. Go up to the top floor of this military base building and you will find the RPG-7 right here. Finally, for the ARX-160, it doesn't have a fixed spawn location. You can only get this randomly by looting airdrops or hacking military crates. This gun can be a bit hard to find, so keep farming those crates and drops until you get it. Once you have all 3 weapons, head to the NPC character at the port. Equip each gun one by one and sell them all. After selling all 3, return to Sir B to claim your mission rewards. And that's the complete guide to clearing Contraband Part 3. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.